Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make $10 for every 4 minutes. By watching this tutorial, you will learn how to make easy videos. It is free and available worldwide. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. This is perfect for beginners, therefore never miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I propose that you go to Skillshare.com before doing anything else. This site offers a diverse selection of online workshops, video training, and courses. People go to this location in order to learn new skills. Individuals can come here to learn about animation, graphic design, music, or photography, for example, by clicking on the Browse button at the top. On the site, users can enroll in a number of classes and watch a range of videos. You might be wondering how we'll make money from this website. And don't worry, we'll get to that right away. Now, when you go to this website's main page, scroll down to the bottom of the teaching section where you'll see Become a Teacher and click on it. You'll be sent to this page where you can create a free account, become a teacher, and start contributing videos to this website. Just keep in mind that you won't have to generate any videos because I'll show you how to get ready-made videos to upload right away. And it'll be a lot easier than you think. I'll show you everything step by step in this video so you can get started making money online right away. When it comes to teaching, that's how it works on Skillshare.com. After you've created your first class, you'll need to add videos to this website. You can start earning money as soon as people join and watch the video. You will be paid per minute. Yes, you read that correctly. You are paid for every minute that people watch your lectures. And many people make thousands of dollars a year merely by posting videos on this platform. You can make money through monthly royalties depending on the number of minutes people watch your videos, as well as referral bonuses if you look at the section on how to make money. The first is just publishing videos for which you will be paid per minute for each view. There is no limit to the amount of money you can earn 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Second, you can earn commissions and referral bonuses on autopilot. So all you have to do now is click the screen button to start a class. You've finally arrived to this page. You can see here that you can upload videos to earn money when people watch them. And clicking on this upload video button will take you to the page where you may upload a video to this website. I'll give you 2 examples right now. Now, if I select the graphic design category from the Browse button at the top, we'll be sent to this graphic design page. The number of followers has crossed 1 million, as you can see. So, all the things I like about Skillshare is that all you have to do is upload your videos, and millions of users and visitors come here every day looking for videos and classes to watch and learn about. For example, this video playlist was developed by a content producer and, as you can see, it has a large number of videos. They last anything from 1 to 10 minutes. All of the videos are actually quite simple and quick to make, and people make money simply by watching them. So right now, the uploader is making money by allowing people to watch the videos that he uploaded. And this is a great way for you to earn a passive income because once you copy and paste this video on here, people from all over the world will see your videos on Skillshare without you having to promote them. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. I'd like you to go to renderforest.com for the following step. This is where we will be able to access free videos that we may use and distribute on Skillshare.com. This is a well-known company where you can generate multimedia collaterals. But for the time being, let's focus on generating videos. All we have to do now is go to the top of this toolbar and click on Make Movies, which will lead you to a website that states video templates that fits your demands. RenderForest is one of my favorite sites since you can get free video templates and there are so many options to choose from. And these are just basic videos. They're all professionally made and you can have them all for free with only a few clicks. The best part is that you can do all of it on your phone. I recommend that you use whiteboard animation toolkits now. What is the reason for this? Because there are a lot of people who are interested in this issue, which is a plus when you publish it as a Skillshare.com training course. So all you have to do now is click this link, which will take you to this page, which says Whiteboard Animation Toolkits. As you can see, it has over 1,000 ratings, indicating that a large number of people are using and enjoying it, as evidenced by the fact that it has received a rating of over 4.45 stars out of 5 stars right away. I just wanted to show you how it appears using these whiteboard tutorial video templates, which are comparable to what you're seeing now. It's nothing more than a whiteboard template, a video tutorial that shows folks how to do something new. They're actually very simple to grasp. They're all quite professional and you're free to utilize any of them in your template. By scrolling down below, we can see that many videos created by other people using these themes. It's popular among professionals and there are tried and true templates that handle everything for you. Without any technical knowledge or expertise, you can do the same thing on this website by simply clicking on a few buttons that I'll demonstrate right now. All you have to do now is click on this Create Now button, then click on this button right here, and you'll be taken to this website where you can make a new video. Right now, you have 3 alternatives, all of which are quite important. Please click this to load a preset from which you can choose a finished plotline for your narrative. Simply select the Create button after selecting the Load a Preset option. There are a lot of pre-made stories as well as templates and tutorial videos. On RenderForest, you can find a number of free training videos that you can use on Skillshare.com. And by following the simple strategy, you can start earning a lot of money online, much like the people who earn a steady passive income 24/7. If you wish to make a video about this topic, simply click on this video, and you'll see a preview of the video template. All you have to do now is view the video or click this blue button and choose Ready Narrative. After that, you'll be taken to a new page where you can contribute to the film. Nevertheless, everything is done for you on this website, including all storylines and timelines. You can change the categories and wordings on this page, as well as personalize everything else if you want. For example, you could want to change this text. You may alter the wordings by just clicking on Add Text. You can modify any text you like, and once you do that, you'll be able to change the text on the video itself, as demonstrated here. So, while editing the content right here is simple. Everything is taken care of you. There isn't much that needs to be fixed. Go ahead and click on Style to move on to the next phase after you've finished editing and experimenting with the text of each video. You can use either board, drew, or cut paper for this project. Both are actually quite good, but I'm going to go to this board drawn. By clicking on this style right here, I'll proceed to the third stage, which is to choose the colors. These are all custom colors and I have the option of selecting any color I want when I click the main color button. For example, if I desire the blue color, I can just click confirm and the color will be changed to blue. It's extremely simple, and all you have to do is press a few buttons. Almost everything else is taken care for you. Now that you've completed choosing your colors, you can move on to the step 4, where you'll select your music. Once again, they've done all the work for you. They've chosen this music for you to utilize, or you may search through hundreds of different categories to locate music that you can use. By clicking on preview, you can choose whatever you like and listen to background music. After you've chosen a song, you can do whatever you like. I prefer corporate motivation in this circumstance, and I can just go to the preview, which is the end step, as indicated here, and you can do this with a free preview to reinforce. You don't have to pay anything to use this website. This film is available for free download at renderforest.com. Remember that you may use the same method to make different lesson videos that you can upload on Skillshare.com to earn money every time someone clicks, plays, or watches your films by using different templates or videos with different stories. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take a chance and start making money for yourself. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make $10 for every 4 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.